So we are returning back here to repair this leaking boiler, Worcester. So we'll take off the cover, remove the front panel by removing the screw. And here we can see a very common fault with Worcester boilers. We've got signs of leakage over this rubber cover over on the diverter valve. This is quite a common fault with these certain models of Worcester. As you can see here, this is the flow turbine, and this is the adapter inside there, and you can see water leakage from there. So we're going to need to shut off the cold water inlet valve, open the hot tap in the nearest outlet to drain the water. We'll remove this cold inlet pipe by taking out the retaining clip, slipping that out, and loosening the nut on the cold inlet valve on the manifold. Obviously, we'll be replacing the relevant rubber O-rings and fibre washers when necessary to avoid any problems once we've repressurized the system. So here we go. We'll take out the retaining clip, remove the NTC electrical connection, and carefully slip out the flow turbine adapter. Here we go, carefully pull it out to make sure that we don't leave any parts of it inside the channel. Make sure that cold inlet pipe is swiveled around to give enough space for maneuver, and carefully take it out. There we go. So this is our flow turbine adapter. We're going to just clear out make sure there's no debris left in that adapter channel. So here's the old flow turbine adapter. We're going to just unscrew it, remove all the internal components, the strainers, and fit them into our new flow turbine adapter right here. After we've pieced the new one together, we're going to get some lubrication on, and we're going to lubricate the new rubber O-ring on the new flow turbine adapter, and also the socket above the pump manifold, so it all glides in nicely to avoid any chances of any leakages. Here we go, it's all in. Now we just need to reconnect everything, all the nuts, new washers, reconnect the electrics, tighten everything up, and then we can turn the cold mains valve on, pressurize the system, put the board back on, switch it on, make sure it's all working. Good job.